if you're used to going early morning for your walks or your runs, and if it's cold, especially in winter or change of season, and it's windy, this is the best thing to use. Just apply it all over your face and neck and hands and just go out running. It's excellent. Also, it's excellent for hill stations. When you go to hill stations and it's cold and breezy, this is an excellent cream to use. This cold cream is wonderful. We think that a cold cream only has to be used in winter or has to be used for, in change of season. No, and on the face. No, this cold cream can be used anywhere and all through the year. In fact, we need a cold cream all through the year. So you can use this on any dark areas, your knuckles. You can use it especially on your elbows, on your knees, on your ankles. It's excellent because it's nourishing. It has the cocoa butter, the shea butter, and it has these essential oils of lavender and neroli, which also relax you and make you feel wonderful. Men can also use cold cream all through the year. In fact, it's excellent for a shave, so they put it onto their face all over. Then they keep it on for some time, maybe read a paper or watch their TV or see their computer. And then after that, just wipe it off with a damp hot towel and have a shave. You will find that will give you the smoothest shave ever, and it also helps as a light moisturizer. If you're the kind of person who does not like to use a lot of products, and maybe wants to use just one product, this is the product for you because you can use it all seasons and you can use it for cleansing, toning, moisturizing. You can use it on your face and your body. The other way that you can use this cream, and for the other kind of person, is those who are traveling and don't want to carry a lot of product when they are traveling. This is the product for you.